In the shadowy corridors of time, nestled within the pages of ancient texts and whispered through the ages by countless voices, lies the enigmatic tale of Atlantis, a civilization so advanced, so splendid, it seems to belong more to the realm of dreams than reality. This legendary island, first introduced by the philosopher Plato over 2 millennia ago, has captivated scholars, dreamers, and adventurers alike with its allure of a lost world, teeming with technological marvels and cultural riches beyond imagination. The origins of Atlantis are shrouded in the mists of time, where myth and history intertwine to paint a picture of a utopia that once flourished in the Atlantic Ocean, beyond the Pillars of Hercules. According to Plato, Atlantis was no mere myth. It was a tangible embodiment of an ideal society that tragically succumbed to the hubris of its inhabitants. This once thriving land was said to be ruled by a confederation of kings, each overseeing a realm of unmatched beauty and prosperity, where majestic palaces and temples stood as testaments to the Atlanteans' architectural genius and their reverence for the gods. The civilization of Atlantis, as described by the ancients, was a marvel of its time. It boasted advancements far ahead of contemporaneous societies, with technologies that could harness natural forces, create energy, and perhaps even manipulate the very fabric of reality. The Atlanteans were depicted as a people of enlightened philosophers, unparalleled engineers, and artists whose works dazzled the senses and stirred the soul. Their society was a harmonious blend of science, spirituality, and art, where knowledge was treasured, and wisdom was the cornerstone of governance. But what truths lie behind these tales of grandeur and downfall? Scholars and historians have scoured ancient texts, piecing together clues that might shed light on the reality of Atlantis. Some suggest that Plato's accounts were allegorical, meant to illustrate his philosophical ideals. Others believe that Atlantis was real, perhaps inspired by actual societies of the past whose fates were sealed by natural disasters or war. The Minoan civilization on Crete, with its sophisticated culture and sudden demise, often emerges in discussions as a possible source of inspiration for the Atlantis narrative. The quest to uncover the origins of Atlantis takes us on a journey not only through physical landscapes but through the realms of ideas, beliefs, and the eternal human fascination with the possibility of a perfect world lost to time. As we delve into the ancient texts and explore the theories that give life to the legend of Atlantis, we embark on an exploration of our own desires for discovery, understanding, and the eternal hope that somewhere, beyond the reaches of our maps, lies a truth waiting to be uncovered. The legend of Atlantis, with its mysterious origins and the civilization that thrived there, continues to be a beacon for the curious, the dreamers, and the seekers of lost worlds. Imagine a civilization where the skyline is dominated by towering structures that defy gravity, where the mastery of engineering and architecture goes beyond anything known to the modern world. This is the vision of Atlantis, a place of architectural marvels and advanced technology that, if real, would rewrite our understanding of human capability in the ancient world. The tales of Atlantis speak of a society that not only reached but surpassed the zenith of human achievement, crafting a city of wonder and beauty unparalleled in history. At the heart of Atlantis lay its capital, a testament to the Atlanteans' architectural genius. Central to this was the awe-inspiring temple dedicated to Poseidon, the god of the sea, around which the entire city was thought to have been meticulously planned. This temple, adorned with gold, silver, and orichalcum, a mysterious metal mentioned by Plato, purportedly shining with the red light of the sea, was the centerpiece of an intricate complex of canals, bridges, and waterways, showcasing a harmony between human ambition and the natural world. The Atlanteans were said to possess knowledge of technologies that seem almost magical in their description: crystal-powered energy sources, advanced metallurgy, and the ability to control weather patterns, among others. They could construct buildings that could withstand earthquakes, design irrigation systems that turned deserts into gardens, and craft flying machines and ships that could navigate under their own power. These technological wonders were not just for utility but were integrated into the very fabric of Atlantean society, reflecting a deep understanding of the forces of nature and the universe. The construction techniques of Atlantis were revolutionary, utilizing materials and methods that, according to the legend, have been lost to time. The Atlanteans' ability to create a durable and sustainable environment suggests a level of sophistication that challenges our perception of ancient civilizations. Their cities were planned with precision, incorporating principles of urban design that catered to the well-being of its inhabitants, promoting harmony, health, and happiness. This vision of Atlantis as a hub of innovation and architectural splendor has fueled countless theories and explorations. Archaeologists and historians have drawn parallels between the described marvels of Atlantis and the monumental achievements of ancient cultures such as the Egyptians, the Minoans, and the Mesopotamians. Yet, the exact nature and extent of Atlantean technology and architecture remain cloaked in mystery, as no definitive evidence has been found to confirm the existence of such advancements. The legacy of Atlantis, with its architectural marvels and advanced technology, continues to inspire and intrigue. It serves as a reminder of humanity's endless pursuit of knowledge and the timeless desire to create something that transcends the ordinary, a civilization that stands as a beacon of what could be achieved when human ingenuity is bound by neither time nor technology. Whether myth or reality, the story of Atlantis challenges us to dream of a world where the impossible becomes possible, urging us to look beyond the horizon for answers to the great mysteries of the past. The legend of Atlantis, with its grandeur and advanced civilization, holds within its narrative a dark and mysterious end, a cataclysmic downfall that has puzzled scholars, historians, and enthusiasts for centuries. The sudden disappearance of such a powerful and enlightened society invites speculation and theories as vast and deep as the ocean that supposedly swallowed it whole. This chapter of the Atlantean saga is a tale of warning, a reflection on the fragility of civilization and the forces, both human and natural, that can lead to its demise. According to the most ancient of sources, the fate of Atlantis was sealed in a single day and night of misfortune, when the earth shook, the skies turned dark, and the waters of the ocean rose to reclaim the land. This vivid depiction has led many to theorize that natural disasters were the primary cause of Atlantis's end. Earthquakes, tsunamis, or volcanic eruptions, common in regions where tectonic plates meet, could have been powerful enough to submerge an entire island nation, erasing it from the face of the earth. The Minoan eruption on the island of Thera, modern-day Santorini, a catastrophic event that led to the decline of the Minoan civilization, is often cited as a potential real-world parallel to the disaster that befell Atlantis. Other theories propose that Atlantis's downfall was the result of divine retribution, a punishment from the gods for the Atlanteans' hubris and moral decay. In this interpretation, the Atlanteans, once a noble and virtuous people, became corrupted by their own success and power. They strayed from the principles that made them great, engaging in imperial conquests and enslaving other peoples, provoking the wrath of the gods who then decided to erase their existence as a lesson to future generations. This narrative serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of moral and ethical decline, highlighting the idea that no civilization, no matter how advanced, is immune to destruction if it loses sight of virtue. The interplay between human actions and environmental forces is another theme explored in theories about Atlantis's disappearance. Some suggest that the Atlanteans' advanced technologies and their manipulation of natural resources could have led to ecological disasters, altering the climate or geography in ways that ultimately doomed their civilization. This notion of environmental self-destruction resonates with contemporary concerns about sustainability and the impact of human activity on the planet. Among the more speculative ideas are those that involve changes in global sea levels following the last ice age, suggesting that Atlantis could have been part of a larger landmass that became submerged as ice caps melted. This theory aligns with the concept of drowned worlds, lands that were once above sea level but are now underwater, hidden beneath the sea's surface, waiting to be rediscovered. The cataclysmic downfall of Atlantis, regardless of its cause, serves as a powerful symbol of the transient nature of human achievements. It reminds us that civilizations, no matter how advanced or seemingly invincible, can be wiped from memory, leaving behind only legends and warnings for the future. The story of Atlantis's end, woven from threads of myth, history, and speculation, challenges us to reflect on our own society's vulnerabilities and to ponder the legacy we will leave behind. Will we heed the lessons of Atlantis, or are we destined to follow in its fabled footsteps, disappearing into the depths of history, enveloped by the waves of our own making? The quest for Atlantis is a saga of human curiosity and determination that stretches across centuries, a testament to our unquenchable thirst for the mysteries of our past. This journey has captivated explorers, archaeologists, and historians, each generation passing the torch to the next, fueled by tales of a lost civilization that was once a beacon of human achievement. The search for Atlantis is not just a quest for a place, but a quest for understanding, the chance to uncover a chapter of human history that, if found, could alter our perception of what our ancestors were capable of. The story of this quest begins with Plato, whose dialogues, Timaeus and Critias, first introduced the world to Atlantis. Since then, the search has spanned the globe, with theories placing Atlantis in locations as diverse as the Mediterranean Sea, the Caribbean, the coastlines of Europe and Africa, and even more distant shores. Each theory, each expedition, is a piece of the puzzle, a step closer to unraveling the enigma. One of the most compelling leads in the search for Atlantis came from the Mediterranean, where the Minoan civilization on Crete sparked interest due to its advanced culture and sudden demise, reminiscent of Atlantis's own fate. The discovery of the Palace of Knossos and its sophisticated architecture, complex plumbing systems, and vibrant frescoes gave credibility to the idea that the Minoans could have inspired Plato's accounts. Yet, the lack of evidence of a cataclysmic event that wiped out the entire civilization left many questions unanswered. In the Atlantic, near the Azores, underwater explorations have revealed intriguing formations on the ocean floor, prompting speculations about submerged ruins. While most of these formations have been explained through natural geological processes, they continue to fuel the imagination of those who dream of discovering the remnants of Atlantis beneath the waves. Another significant lead emerged from satellite imagery and underwater mapping technologies, which have unveiled previously unknown landmasses and sunken cities around the world. These technological advancements have revolutionized the search, allowing researchers to explore the depths of the ocean with unprecedented precision. Among these discoveries are submerged structures that bear striking resemblances to ancient descriptions of Atlantean architecture, though their connection to Atlantis remains speculative. The quest for Atlantis has also led to significant advancements in the fields of archaeology and oceanography, as researchers develop new methods to probe the mysteries of the deep sea and ancient civilizations. Whether analyzing ancient texts with fresh eyes or employing cutting-edge technologies to scan the seabed, each effort adds to our understanding of the past, even when the elusive city remains just out of reach. Despite the myriad theories and expeditions, the definitive discovery of Atlantis remains a dream unfulfilled. Yet, the search itself has become a part of our cultural heritage, a symbol of the human spirit's relentless pursuit of knowledge. The explorers, archaeologists, and historians who have dedicated their lives to this quest remind us that some mysteries are valuable not just for their answers, but for the journey they inspire and the imagination they ignite. As we continue to search for Atlantis, we delve not just into the physical realm, but into the realm of possibility, where each clue and theory opens new horizons for understanding our history and ourselves. The quest for Atlantis is a mirror reflecting our own quest for identity, a bridge between the known and the unknown, between the past and the future. In the end, perhaps the true legacy of Atlantis is not in its discovery, but in the endless quest itself, a quest that keeps the legend alive, inspiring each new generation to dream, explore, and wonder. The legend of Atlantis has transcended its ancient origins to become a cornerstone of modern culture and imagination, a symbol of mystery, ambition, and human potential that has inspired artists, writers, and filmmakers for centuries. Far more than just a sunken city, Atlantis represents the pinnacle of civilization, a utopia lost to time and the endless possibilities of what might have been. Its story, rich with themes of discovery, innovation, and the tragic hubris of mankind, has been a fertile ground for creative minds, influencing literature, movies, and popular culture in profound and varied ways. In literature, the allure of Atlantis has given rise to a multitude of works, from the early modern period to contemporary fiction. The story has been retold, reimagined, and reinterpreted in countless ways, each author adding their own layers to the myth. From the utopian visions of Francis Bacon's New Atlantis, to the dark warnings in Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, Atlantis has served as a backdrop for exploring themes of idealism, power, corruption, and redemption. Modern novels and series, blending elements of fantasy, science fiction, and historical fiction, continue to explore the myth of Atlantis, delving into its mysteries and offering new interpretations of its fate and legacy. The cinematic world, too, has been captivated by the enchantment of Atlantis. Films ranging from action-adventure epics to animated classics have taken audiences on journeys to the fabled city, each interpretation offering a unique vision of its architecture, society, and downfall. Movies like Atlantis, The Lost Empire, provide a visually stunning exploration of a technologically advanced civilization, blending historical myth with imaginative storytelling to create a version of Atlantis that is both ancient and timeless. These films often highlight the adventurous quest for discovery, the dangers of unchecked ambition, and the universal quest for knowledge and understanding. In popular culture, Atlantis has found a place in video games, television series, and even comic books, where its legend offers a backdrop for epic adventures, mysteries to solve, and ancient technologies to uncover. The idea of Atlantis has permeated genres, from the mystical and magical to the scientific and speculative, showcasing humanity's fascination with the unknown. It serves as a canvas for exploring deep-sea mysteries, ancient astronaut theories, and the boundaries of human innovation and imagination. Moreover, Atlantis has sparked endless speculation and creativity beyond fiction, influencing theories about ancient civilizations, technology, and even extraterrestrial life. It has become a metaphor for the lost potential of humanity, a cautionary tale about the dangers of hubris, and a beacon of hope for rediscovery and renewal. Conferences, exhibitions, and documentaries dedicated to Atlantis reflect our ongoing fascination with the legend, engaging scholars, enthusiasts, and dreamers alike in the quest for understanding and inspiration. The influence of Atlantis on culture and imagination is a testament to the power of storytelling and the human fascination with the unknown. It reminds us of the allure of discovery and the endless possibilities that lie just beyond the horizon of our understanding. The legend of Atlantis, with its themes of lost knowledge, utopian societies, and the eternal balance between creation and destruction, continues to captivate the imagination of generations, inviting us to dream, to explore, and to wonder at the mysteries that lie beneath the surface of our world and within the depths of our collective imagination.